Hi everyone. Today we are going to see a video about configuring IP camera in Dax CMS. CMS stands for Central Management System, generally used for managing devices like NVR, DVR and IP camera centrally. In our case we're using it for managing IP cameras. First I will open the Dax CMS application. Default username is super and there's no password. We have to wait for a while. Normally it will take a few seconds for opening. Meanwhile, make sure you have the IP address details of the camera and you're in the same network. A quick tip: open the camera in web browser to make sure you're able to reach the camera. Yeah, it's open now. To add an IP camera in the CMS, go to System and then Device Manager. Then click on Zone List. To add a new zone, click on Add Area. I've already added a zone. We can add one more. I am naming it as Outdoor Zone. And click OK. The zone option is used to segregate the camera location. For example, if you have multiple buildings, you can create a zone for each building and add the respective cameras under that zone. Now, we have to add a camera under the created zone. Select Outdoor Zone. Click Add Device. Normally, the camera IP will be fetched by the CMS software. Sometimes, it won't happen if you have multiple hops between the destination, as it is in my case. If it is a single broadcast domain, then sure, you'll get the camera IP address fetched automatically. So now, we've to add a camera IP manually. Enter the device name. You can name it as per the camera location. I am giving front entrance. Enter the IP address of the camera. In our case it is 172.16.0.101. The port number is 80, HTTP port of the camera. In some cases it will be the RTSP port. And enter the username and password of the camera for authentication. And the vendor is OnVIF. Normally most of the camera supports OnVIF. It's an open standard to manage network video clients. Click OK. Now the camera is added. Go to the main screen. Click on the zone, and double-click the camera to see the live view. Here you go. We can see the live view of the camera. Double-click on the channel to enlarge the view. Now, click on System. Local Config. Now we can see multiple options here. We are going to see only two. One is Base Config. And the other is Record Plan. Base Config is for manual recording. You can browse the destination folder and select any location on your local computer. I am choosing the Records folder on desktop. Now you go to the main screen. Right-click on the channel and click Local Record. Hooray! The recording is happening now. You want to see it? Going to the Record folder. And can you see? A new file is created after starting the local record. You can disable the local record by right-clicking on the channel and selecting the local record once again. OK, now we move on to the record plan. Going to Local Config. Record Plan. You can select the destination drive here. C: or D:. You can also set the video file size. For example, if you select 60, for each 60-minute a file will be generated. For scheduling, click on the group, select the channel. It can be the particular channel or all, and click All. Means for all 7 days in a week and 24 hours in a day, the recording will be on. If you want the recording to overwrite the older files if storage is full, then select Overwrite here. Otherwise the recording will be stopped once the storage is full. Click OK. Now, the scheduled recording will be started. We can see that on the local disk D, there will be a folder named Record that will be automatically created. And you can see the recording inside that folder. Fine. Now we know how to configure an IP camera in Dax CMS and do recording for the same. There are a few more advanced settings on this application. We can see that on the upcoming on this series. We hope this has been informative for you. Please share your comments below on the comment section. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe button. Click the bell icon for updated notifications. And we thank you for watching.